Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to get straight to the point. So in today's video, we're going to talk about shipping. I'm going to break this down into two separate videos, I do believe. This video, I'm going to talk about just the basics, the supplies you will need when you're first starting your business. What you do not want is to start your business, get orders, and then you realize you do not have everything you need to ship. That happened to me. I'm trying to prevent it from happening to you. So I'm going to give a little breakdown as to the type of supplies you'll need and necessities for your business in order to ship. First thing you want to do when starting your business and preparing for shipping items is you want to do mock orders. So you want to kind of see how you will package different orders. So for example, I sell pillows. Well, at the time I was selling pillows, candles, blankets, stuff like that. The reason why I had problem with shipping, like I didn't have supplies I needed, is because I did not do mock orders. I assumed that everyone would either just order pillowcases at one time or they'll order just blankets or whatever. I never thought that people would order multiple things, which was dumb on my part, but I didn't think that way. So I didn't think that people could order stuffed pillows and a blanket. So I didn't necessarily have the supplies I needed to ship an order that large because I wasn't thinking ahead. So think ahead and basically think of what a customer would order. So make sure you have make sure you have packaging that will fit just about any order you have, whether you're using boxes or poly mailers or bubble mailers. So yeah, that is my first thing before I even get started about stuff. All right, so let's start with packaging, because I was just talking about that. So there are all different types of packaging. Like I say, it really depends on what you're selling. I sell home decor, so I'm going to show you guys what I use, and obviously you can tailor it to your needs. I will make sure I leave a link down in the description of anything that I show on here. If I can link it, there may be a few things that they no longer sell, but whatever I can link, I will have linked down below. Okay, so starting with packaging, there are all kinds of packaging. We have bubble mailers, we have poly, let me explain to y'all what it is in case you don't know. So we have bubble mailers, and they are literally just mailers that have bubbles in them. So these are more so for things that are more on the fragile side. I honestly use them for my pillow covers because I like the size of it. My poly mailers that I have are a little big, which I'll show you. So there are also poly mailers. Poly mailers have no padding, but it is a very durable material, so it shouldn't be pierced or anything when it's it's in transit. You don't have to really worry about that, worry about getting damaged. But it does not have like an internal layer of protection. So you would use these for things that aren't fragile, So I have 3 different sizes of these. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. I honestly don't remember the sizes of everything, but I will show you. So I have this one. This is my smallest poly mailer. And then I have this one. All of my packaging is black as of right now. I am looking to change that. I'm honestly looking for better packaging. I'm not really a fan of it, but it's what works. And then I have this massive poly mailer here. So it's just an example of the different sizes, like I said, for different size orders. I want to make sure that I'm prepared. And now, I am prepared. So yeah, you have poly mailers, you have bubble mailers, and you also have boxes. I don't have any boxes with me. Forgot to grab those. But you also have just boxes. So they have all type of boxes. I will link below the boxes that I have as well. I do sell candles, so I have candle boxes, and I have bigger boxes for if I'm shipping really big orders like stuffed pillows or anything like that. So yeah, I will link all the boxes I have. And so the bubble mailers I get from the bubble mailers and the poly mailers I got from Amazon. You can also get them from places like Uline. Those are the only 2 places I've ordered packaging from so far. But I get these from Amazon. Like I said, I will link all this stuff in the description box below. My boxes I do get from Uline because it is a much better value, and I need a lot more boxes than I did mailers at the time. So yeah. And then you also need some tape of some sort. This, you do not have to have special tape like this. This is more so for branding purposes. It does have my logo on it, Paradise Living. You don't have to get this type of tape. It really depends on what you're trying to do with your brand. You can get just regular packaging tape when you do use like boxes and things. You can seal them up. If you do want tape like this, I got this from Sticker Mule. I'll leave the link down in the description below. And I will tell you guys, it is not regular tape, so I don't want you guys to be surprised when you get it if you order some. It's really nice, but it's not regular tape. It's actually glue activated tape, so you will have to use like a wet sponge, rub it across here, and then the glue is activated, and then you stick it on there. It gets very sticky and it can get messy, but you know, you do what you gotta do for Brandon, and it is really nice. Next thing you will need is just like some bubble wrap. Once again, it depends on what you're selling. If you're just selling clothes or anything like that, you might not need that, but we're talking about home decor, so I use bubble wrap for certain things. Like my candles, I wrap my candles in bubble wrap. Yeah, I keep forgetting to tell you where I get stuff from. I got the bubble wrap from Amazon. I got 2 rolls from Amazon. We also need some labels. These are on like regular printing paper. I got this from Amazon as well. So when you are printing out your labels, you can print out your shipping labels on just regular paper, cut them out, tape it to the box. That's perfectly fine. You can do that. I recommend these sticky label paper because it's just a lot easier. You put in the printer just like regular printing paper, and it prints on the label, and it's literally I mean, it's a label. It peels off like this, and just makes your job a lot easier. You don't have to worry about cutting anything out or taping anything, but it is not necessary. It's just a lot more effective, I think. So the next thing you will need is a scale. This scale right here, mine is a little beat up, as y'all can see. I use this for my candles, and I get so fragrance oil has dropped all over it, so it's starting to melt a little bit. I need to get a new one. I don't even know where I got this scale from. I've had it for years, but Amazon has a ton of them. Just look up small scales. Actually, you can also get a free scale, I believe, from either UPS or USPS. I'm not sure, but look into both of those. That's about it. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that it gives you a good start. Like I said, this is my purpose of making this video. For those of you who are just starting your business, for those of you who are ready to launch, I just want to make sure that you guys have everything that you need. Be on the lookout for a part 2 to this video. There is a lot that goes into shipping, y'all, so this is the easy part. Make sure you have the supplies. The next video, I will give you guys a more detailed breakdown of how the shipping process actually works, who is the best shipping carrier to go through, more details about the different shipping carriers, things like that. I honestly have to do a little bit more research on my end. I literally just got somebody literally just reached out to me from UPS about shipping, so I'm going to talk to them a bit, learn a little bit, and then I'm going to tell you guys about it. So be on the lookout for that video. Thank you guys so very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to leave any comments or concerns down in the comment section below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe please if you are interested in more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.